Take quarter cup of kidney beans, wash really well and soak overnight. First, use saute function for about 10 to 15 minutes in your electric pressure cooker. Heat up a tablespoon of oil. Add onion and saute for a little bit. Salt to taste. Pepper as per your taste. Red pepper flakes as per your preference. Then vegetables like celery, carrot, green beans, potato, and mushrooms. Next, add minced garlic. And here I have canned diced tomatoes. You can use fresh tomato if desired, and pasta of your choice. Kidney beans soaked overnight, vegetable stock, or you can use simply water, dried mixed Italian herbs. And by this time your saute function should be over and ready to set up for soup. You can use soup function or you can use beans function for preparing this recipe. After 25 minutes, when the soup is done, release the pressure manually, or you can let it release the pressure naturally and open and look at the soup. Our minestrone soup is ready. I simply love minestrone soup. Bubbling, yummy looking soup. Just be sure that kidney beans are cooked well and the soup is ready to be served.